How's it going, everybody? My name's Keaton. I run a marketing agency called orthopatients.com, and I connected with Jason about a year and a half ago, and he has honestly been instrumental in my agency journey. His free content and his paid content, the biggest thing I can say about it that has changed the game for me is how tactical it is. You know, there's a lot of people that can teach you mindset. There's a lot of people that can teach you goals and all that, and Jason understands that really, really well. But where most people don't go is the cold hard tactics, like how to actually run the campaigns on Facebook, how to get the clients the right way. All of the different things that other gurus are skipping over is what I have found with Jason. So I'm super grateful for that. It's helped me a ton. Last month, we just had our first $30,000 month, and we're just continuing to grow and scale, even during COVID. So that's been a huge blessing. Definitely recommend working with Jason. If you're on the fence about it, just go for it. The guy knows his stuff. He's in the trenches every day, unlike some of these other guys, and you will not regret it. Thanks so much, and enjoy.